everyone, today's my birthday, so I'm gonna do a little vlog. My friend is still sleeping. Oh no. But she drove here from Idaho for me for my birthday. Right now it's 8 o'clock and I have a Zoom at 8:30 and then I have another Zoom at 9:30. But after that, I don't have anything, so I'm gonna go get that done so I can hang out. I just finished my Zooms and I got dressed. So now I'm gonna do my makeup and maybe something with my hair. I just got done getting ready. So now I think I'm gonna eat some breakfast and then my sister is coming over when she gets off work at like 12 and my boyfriend should be coming over too. And then later we are going to the gem studio. So I'm super excited about that. You get to make your own rings. And that's in Provo, and we're going to dinner before that. So it should be a really fun day. Right now I'm helping my mom make brownies. We have to make a lot of brownies. And we also have to make these gluten-free, dairy-free ones for me. So she's making those, and then I think I'm gonna make these too. Because I asked for brownies and ice cream for dessert. So she has birthday makeup on because she does makeup every day of the month for Halloween, and that's what she decided to be today for my birthday. So this is what I woke up to.
Hi, Jaidyn. Hi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jaidyn. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah. Love you.
Love you too. I miss you.
Happy birthday.
I miss you. These are the finished product of the brownies. These ones are everyone else's, and these ones are mine because I guess my mom could not find a little square pan, so I get a circle brownie. I just got done opening my presents from everyone. And I'm gonna do a different video showing you guys what I got, and I'll like try on stuff for you. So you guys can look forward to that coming up soon, but I'm not gonna show you what I got in this video, so it'll be a little bit of a surprise. And then in 2 hours, we're leaving to go to dinner. We just went and got Starbucks. Theirs are so cute. This is mine. I got chai tea. Are we gonna try them? Yeah, try it all at the same time. Oops. First, let's take a I think I got like the most complicated Starbucks order ever, but
Ice chai tea with no ice.
yeah, I get like the cold drinks, but I asked them to not put ice in it because the ice takes up like half the drink. So then I just go home and add my own ice, so I get more drink. I love ice. These are so cute. But yeah, now we're headed back home, and then we will leave to go to Provo. We just got to Provo, and so now we're going to eat sushi because that's my favorite food. I love sushi so much. So happy. This is the menu, and the Vegas roll is my all-time favorite roll. I have to get it like everywhere I go because it's so good. Cannot wait. Sorry, we just couldn't wait to show you what it looked like before we dug in, so this is what it looks like now. So 10 minutes later, literally, our food came out at, what time is it? It came out at 5:20 and now it's 5:30 and it's all gone. 10 minutes. Yummy. Okay, now we're having brownies and ice cream. And this is what I asked for. Everyone's here again. And it's super late, but
What are you still doing now?
I'm excited for my dessert. Happy birthday! I just got ready for bed. It's kind of late and I have work in the morning, so I am pretty exhausted and I need to get some sleep. But I had a really good day and I'm thankful for all my friends and my family for making my day so good. And the gym studio was a lot of fun. I loved the rings that I got. I made a ring and then my grandma made me a ring because she doesn't wear like jewelry that much, but she still wanted to come hang out with us, so that was cool. So I got 2 rings. And they're both really cute. But we were there for a really long time. Like, we were there for 4 hours. And so I'm kind of exhausted tonight. But you guys will have to check out the next video I post because I'm going to show you guys everything I got for my birthday from everyone. And everything's so cute. I love it so much. So I'm excited to show you all that. But thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.